Gonna take the whipper. This is wet. So,
Are you just going to play it like it was real?
no, I'm gonna say take.
Okay.
So you're paying attention.
Okay.
Hey, Alex.
What's up?
Would you give him a backup?
What do you need?
Would you just keep an eye on him?
Yeah.
Because I'm going to get above this next bolt and take a fall.
Okay.
Just so he's doing everything
He's
that he
gonna-
needs to be doing.
Do you need any more rope slack or no?
Huh?
Do you need more slack or are you good right now?
I'm good.
See when he's below?
Yeah.
He has a little extra, so you keep that in mind. So just say you're doing take and then he's gonna take and you're to fall.
Yep.
Okay?
I'm going to say take just so he knows, but, you know,
Yeah.
he doesn't have to run it all in.
Yeah.
Clipping.
Sorry, binding up again.
Yeah, that's why I like the ATCs.
Don't tell him that, Alex.
That's why I don't like the ATCs.
I already know. Don't worry.
I mean, they do use them on the dawn wall.
I just like them because they're easier to pull
I
through.
know.
So where are you going? Right here?
Somewhere in here. Okay, take. Not really take that much, but a little bit.
Yeah.
Ready?
You see how that goes?
Yep. I felt it start to pull me.
And that was a good soft catch.
Okay.
Now I gotta climb up there again.
Stop being a baby, Matt. Go. No, just joking.
What'd you say? Don't be a baby.
Yeah, don't be a baby. Keep climbing.
I just feel really alive right now.
Now down climb.
Try to scare the crap out of him a little bit.
What's that?
Try to scare the crap out of you a little bit.
So,
Give him about a quick foot.
Tim fell asleep one time. I was going up.
Walk over there and talk to him closer. I think I reached in a little bit.
Sammy likes yelling at me.
Because you yell.
I know. Alex, you are pretty loud.
I talk loud. I can
The more
hear.
you drink, the louder you get too. It's funny.
Dude, I sat by you the other day. You got anything over there or no? I think so, or it might be straight up into your left.
It's actually pretty comfortable right here. That was fun.
Sammy, where's your wide angle lens?
Down at the car.
I'd do it again if you'd shoot it.
It'd be kind of neat. Jeez. Yeah, the falling.
This thing does pretty wide,
I have one. I have a camera.
and I have the view screen for it.
Mm-hmm.
My camera's in my back as well.
I'm getting in a little bit. It's so freaking bright. It's hard looking straight up
Yeah.
at this wall.
All right.